It's happening quietly, rapidly, and whether you notice it or not, AI is replacing humans. Not in some distant future, but right now in offices, classrooms, even creative studios across Pakistan. Can AI ever do what humans do better? And more importantly, should it? Let's get real. One moment you're learning to code, next thing you know, AI writes the code for you. Creepy? Efficient? Or both? Let's start where humans shine. Creativity, art, music, storytelling, the stuff that moves us. But then AI steps in and suddenly you've got machines writing poetry, composing music, even painting portraits that sell for lakhs. No joke. Imagine explaining that to your desi parent. The robot just won the art competition. Beta, apply for MBA na instead. But here's the twist. AI mimics creativity. It doesn't feel, it doesn't dream. You and I, we draw from heartbreaks, from joy, from chai at 2 a.m. during monsoons. That's what makes human creativity raw, unpredictable, powerful. So, creativity? For now, humans win. But AI? It's catching up. Faster than you think. Okay, let's talk hustle. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't yawn, doesn't binge watch Netflix instead of working. It just works. So the question becomes, if machines can outwork us, what's our edge? The truth? Productivity is AI's game. But the way we use that productivity, the why behind the what, still lies in human hands. Now we enter deeper waters. Decision-making, morality, ethics. AI can analyze millions of data points, but should it decide who gets a loan or who gets hired? Humans carry bias, but AI learns from human data, which is already biased. Scary, right? That means flawed data in, flawed decisions out. And when mistakes happen, who takes the blame? The engineer? The algorithm? Or the AI? Machines are fast, but morals? Those need a human touch. And no AI has a conscience yet, right? This. Ask ChatGPT for relationship advice. It might give you something useful, but will it feel your heartbreak? Understand your silence? Not yet.
Hey GPT, she left me on red. Here are 5 productivity tips to move on.
So, who wins? AI or humans? Wrong question. The real power is when AI and humans work together. AI boosts speed, humans add soul. AI can process data, but you give it purpose. In Pakistan alone, the tech revolution is creating millions of opportunities, but only for those who adapt. The clock's ticking. If this made you think even a little, don't just scroll away. Hit like, subscribe to KhalidTech, and comment Team Human, Team AI, or Team Hybrid.